imperfections there may have been. And then there is forgiveness also for whatever hurt that was caused. And you move on. And as you move on, you find a different life, you're happy. When you cross paths again, I believe that even if maybe you can remember the pain, you may be able to remember the pain, but it's more the happy times that you remember. So siguro, if you focus on that, you can just really be friends.
Forgiveness and move on all the way.
You still remember the love? No. Talagang fan. Sorry, Chardon mo kasi talaga ako.
How can you forget? You cannot forget. You'll always remember how much you cared for each other, di ba? And yes, you'll also remember how much you hurt. But then, it's parang, you move on. Diba?
Saktan talaga ako din. Ano ba?
Ganun ba? Ikaw, tingin mo.
So that's her personal approach. Ako naman yung professional side.
Wow,
Let's think back. Let's go back. Mga few years back. The time we split up.
20 years ago. 5 years ago lang yun.
I mean, first, you remember the first scene na ginawa natin?
Oo nga, no.
After we split up, may scene ba tayong ginawa after that?
Na nagkaroon tayo ng project na may ganun? Hindi. Nagkaroon tayo ng project as husband and wife when we did that parang soap. After Filipinas. Yung
Manila?
Yes, yung Manila.
Ah, you had one like that?
Oo.
Pinatigan mo ba ako nun?
Hindi.
Ilang years after the breakup kayo?
I'm trying to remember.
Hindi ko lang hanggang
You have to help me remember.
Walang hanggang na yun natin.
Yun yung next kiss na natin.
Yeah. Oo. Bakit?
Wala, iniisip ko lang. Kasi yung, paano tayo naging, bakit comfortable tayo sa isa't isa?
Yun na nga.
Diba?
But
Ang
even
sarap
before
lang.
walang hanggan, we've been comfortable naman na with each other.
Yun ang di namin
Even working together.
Yeah. Hindi, comfortable sa mga sensitive
You mean
na
sa sensitive. Pero ngayon kasi we hardly naman na do sensitive scenes.
Oo.
Ang cute nila, parang nag-uusap lang.
Okay lang. Sorry.
Nandito po kami.
Parang wala kami.
Hindi, after na talaga, we remained good friends. Siyempre sa una, medyo mahirap na nakikita kayo. Dahil, siyempre, kakasplit up niya lang. But eventually, you find yourself in the same circle. So, pag-uusap kami, kumusta ka na? May konting, may himas. Ganun lang. Hanggang ganun lang. But we're very comfortable with each other.
Hindi mo natin tanong si Bea, hindi pa naman to expert kasi sa relationship.
Magaling dyan.
Wala pa ilan na bilang pa. Okay, next question please. Pa-share ng, where's the mic? Ayan, go ahead, Mars.
Mars po from astig.ph. Ngayon pa lang po naramdaman namin na astig talaga yung film. Especially next week na. Question ko po is for Ms. Vanessa. Ano po sa tingin niyo yung naging inspiration niyo here or hugot niyo, no? Why did
Wala
you...
po sa personal. Wala po talaga.
Yun na sana yung susunod ko.
Wala po talaga. Tanong niyo pa po kay Bea Alonso.
Ganun siya
Wala po
magaling.
talaga. Wala po talaga.
Dinami-dami ng plots and,
Wala.
paano niyo
Wala po
nabuhay?
talaga.
Ay, puro angst.
Wala po talaga.
Share mo nga, Miss
Puro
Pat.
kwento lang po yan.
Someone who is single,
Diba?
someone who is
Single, never had a relationship, and that's fine.
to come up with such brilliant,
Kasi ibang tao niyo nakuha itong
Have you ever been kissed? Never been
Wala
kissed?
po talaga. Sige po, tuloy niyo po yung question. Kaya po sagutin niya. Sige po, ano po yun? Yes po. Kinikilig ko siya.
Paano po niyo na-concoct itong ano na to?
parang inumin lang, ano, Miss Pat.
Parang cocktail lang.
Pag mga ganito pong kwento, sometimes all you need to do is observe. Observe people, observe what they go through. Kasi ang issue po ng adultery, as much as I hate to admit it, it's something very commonplace. So sometimes all you need to do is observe the people around you, ask them what happened to you, and minsan you don't even have to ask them. People will tell you their stories, and then how do you incorporate that those insights into the film? Ako siguro po, that's why they were saying kanina that this is more than just a mistress story, it's also a family story. I may not know what it's like to be a spouse, I may not know what it's like to be in a relationship, in a romantic relationship with someone, but I do know what it's like to be a child. And sometimes when I have to